In this tutorial, we'll learn how to join a table and a shapefile. It can be very useful, especially if you have data that is too big to be saved in a shapefile. We can save the data in Excel sheet. So in your Lab 4 data folder, look for a shapefile called US Climate Divisions and open it. If you look at the attribute table of this shapefile, you will see that it has information about the state and the name of the division and an ID that kind of is a unique value. I'm going to sort them by ascending order, and you will see that this unique value is an ID of the climate division. Now, technically, climate divisions are areas that have potentially some jurisdictional boundary, which is political, but have similar kind of climate inside the division. So the other file that you have been given is an Excel file with the climate division data. You have to add this using add data, which you have learned before. So go to Lab 4 data and double click the climate division data Excel worksheet and in workbook, and inside you will have the precip or precipitation sheet. Add this and open this into the attribute tables, and you will see that it has a division ID and precipitation values for 12 months. If we want to join these two files, the climate divisions data and precipitation data, we can join them by their IDs because those are unique values in the two tables. So go to the table of contents and US climate divisions and right click it. In this menu you will see an option called join and relates, and there in the sub menu there's join, remove joins, relate, and remove relates. We'll do join in this exercise. So if you click join, it will bring up a menu that gives you options. So the first one is join tables, join attribute from a table. So we will join the division ID attribute from the climate divisions data. So climate divisions table, these are all the attributes available, and we'll click division ID. And the other table where we want to join is a precipitation, which is the Excel sheet, and if you see, it automatically picked the division ID that it thinks is the closest, and there are other attributes available too. So we'll pick division ID and click OK. Now if you see, the attribute table of climate division has changed. Up to this point are the attributes that are from the shapefile, and then it concatenated afterwards from this point onwards 13 more columns that came from the precipitation table, and it joined them based upon the matching values in these two attributes, division underscore I and division ID. Now if you see that all the data is available, this has not been changed on the disks, mind you. This has happened in ArcMap software, so you can see the data together. And if you want to remove the join, you can go back to the table of contents and go to the menu after clicking the US climate divisions, and you can remove this join, precipitation join, and see how it is disconnected from the table. So this concludes our tutorial how to join a table with a shapefile.